Make versus.
hacer,
You made, we did, they made. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Pop over to www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we turn the English make into Spanish magic.
hacer,
By the end, you'll confidently say you made equals.
tú hiciste,
We did equals.
hicimos,
And they made equals.
hicieron.
Without your brain doing cartwheels. Let's roll. Your learning goal today. You and I have one mission: speak past tense Spanish without sweating. Goal 1. Map make.
Hacer,
Goal 2. Use the preterite forms in real lines.
tú hiciste, hicimos, hicieron.
Goal 3. Sound natural in everyday situations. And maybe laugh once. Forms in a flash. Quick, clean, and sticky in your memory. Make.
Hacer,
You made.
tú hiciste,
We did.
hicimos,
They made.
hicieron.
Pro tip. English splits make, do. Spanish often unites them with.
Hacer,
Mini dialogue. Cake chaos. Listen in and repeat the Spanish bits out loud. You, I can make the shopping list.
puedo hacer la lista.
Friend, great. Yesterday, you made the best frosting.
Ayer, tú hiciste el mejor glaseado.
You, as a team, we did everything on time.
Como equipo, hicimos todo a tiempo.
Neighbor, wow, they made 2 cakes?
¿Hicieron 2 pasteles?
You, yup. When in doubt, we just use.
Hacer,
And keep calm. Call and response drills. IQ in English, you answer with the Spanish phrase. Say it out loud. Q. Make. Answer.
hacer,
Q. You made. Answer.
tú hiciste,
Q. We did. Answer.
hicimos,
Q. They made. Answer.
hicieron.
Q. Make the plan. Answer.
Hacer, el plan.
Q. Yesterday, you made a list. Answer.
Ayer, tú hiciste una lista.
Q. We did the homework. Answer.
Hicimos la tarea.
Q. They made a reservation. Answer.
Hicieron una reserva.
Culture tip. Everyday.
Hacer,
Use.
hacer,
For tons of daily tasks. Make the bed equals.
hacer la cama.
Do homework equals.
Hacer la tarea.
Make a call equals.
Hacer una llamada.
Heads up. Make a decision is usually.
Tomar una decisión.
Not.
Hacer,
Quick quiz. Answer fast, your future confident self is listening. 1. Spanish for make. Answer.
hacer,
2. Spanish for you made. Answer.
tú hiciste.
3. Spanish for we did. Answer.
Hicimos.
4. Spanish for they made. Answer.
Hicieron.
Bonus. Say, we did everything. Answer.
Hicimos todo.
Challenge and goodbye. Your turn to shine. Tiny challenge, big gains. Challenge. Say 3 true sentences about today using
Hacer, tú hiciste. Hicimos.
or.
Hicieron.
Example. They made great coffee.
Hicieron un café genial.
Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing make.
Hacer.
You made.
Tú hiciste.
We did.
Hicimos.
They made.
Hicieron.
For more fun lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.